Hello everyone, my name is Wang Shibo and my metric number is 204837. And here's a video for our project 3 isomorphic. So as a question 2, we need to determine whether the graph G and H displayed in these figures are isomorphic. As we can see, we have both G and H have 6 vertices and 7 edges, and both have 4 vertices of degree 2 and 2 vertices of degree 3. As we can see in graph G, we have U4 and U2. In graph H, we have V5 and V3. And these 4 vertices are the vertices of degree 3, and the else vertices are all the vertices of degree 2. And it is also easy to see that the subgraph of G and H consisting of all vertices of degree 2 and H connecting them are isomorphic. And because G and H agree with respect to these environments, it is reasonable to try to find an isomorphism function f. So we now will define a function f and then determine whether it is an isomorphism. And because degree u1 is 2, and because u1 is not adjacent to any other vertex of degree 2, the image of u1 must be either v4 or v6. Then the only vertex of degree 2 in H not adjacent to a vertex of degree 2. We try to set the function u1 is v6. And then if we found that this choice did not lead to isomorphism, we would try function u1 is v4. And because u2 is adjacent to u1, the possible image of u2 are v3 and v5. We try to set function u2 is u3, is v3. And then continuing in this way using agency of vertex and degree as a guide, we set function u3 is v4, function u4 is equal v5, function u6 is equal v2. And we now have a one-to-one correspondence between the vertex set of G and the vertex set of H. Namely, function u1 is equal to v6, function u2 is equal to v3, function u3 is equal to v4, function u4 is equal to v5, function u5 is equal to v1, function u6 is equal to v2. And then to see whether function f preserved edges, we examine the agency metric of G and the agency metric of H, which following the image of the corresponding vertex in G. So we have this graph, and then as we can see in the graph of graph H, here's u1, so here is v6. Here's u2, so here is v3, and here is u3, here is v4, here's u4, so we got here is v5, here's u5, so we have here is v1, and then here's u6, so here is v2. And because AG is equal to AH, it follows that function f preserves ages. So we conclude that function f is an isomorphism. So G and H, these two graphs are isomorphic. And that's all. Thank you very much.